Today we are going to make Bittergourd lentil curry or Bittergourd Toor dal curry. The ingredients are shallot, green chili, tomato, garlic, curry leaves and cumin seeds. The next ingredient is a bittergourd cut and sliced in long slender pieces. Wash it well in water. The ingredient is grated coconut powder. And put in the grated coconut and the shallots. Put in the cumin seeds. Put in the curry leaves. Garlic. Put in a ripe chili. Close and grind all these ingredients. All the ingredients have been finely ground. Now it can be taken out of the grinder. The next ingredient is yellow split dal or pigeon dal or tur dal. Take the tur dal and pour in 3 cups of water in a pot and cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Put in a quarter spoon of turmeric powder into the boiling dal. Let it cook. Put in a quarter teaspoon of coriander powder. Put in the tomato. And green chili. Into the cooked dal. Pour in 4 cups of water into this. And mix. Put in the bittergourd into this mixture and cook. Let the whole mixture cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Put in 50 grams of tamarind into water and take the water. Pour the tamarind water into dal and bittergourd mixture. And let it boil. Put in salt to taste and mix. Put in the ground coconut mixture that we prepared earlier in the grinder and mix. Heat a pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the mustard seeds and put in the curry leaves and after heating for 1 to 2 minutes, this can be poured into the Bittergourd dal curry. Pour in the mustard seed and oil into the Bittergourd dal curry and mix. Mix the mustard with the curry. Heat for 2 to 3 minutes and put off the flame. This is the final Bittergourd dal curry or Bittergourd Toor dal curry or Bittergourd lentil curry.